Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm a physician-assisted injector, and today I have Eli here, and we're going to be demonstrating mid-face augmentation or getting some cheeks. So Eli, you and I talked earlier, and you said your concern was having these nasolabial folds, these folds that are very common in women in their 30s, 40s, and 50s. These nasolabial folds actually occurred because you lost volume higher. That occurs over time. Women especially, thin women like yourself, they lose volume in their mid-face as they age. They lose facial fat and they lose just volume and they atrophy. What happens is the volume loss occurs and it creates a fold right here. Sometimes injectors choose to fill the fold here, the nasolabial fold. But in your case, it would be best to fill higher. It would be best to fill actually the mid-face, which will bring your whole face up and may improve the lower third of your face just by having this area a little bit plumper. Okay. We've had your lidocaine topical numbing on here for about 15 minutes. I'm going to clean you off. And we're going to get started. What you should know about this filler is that it does contain lidocaine. I'm going to be using Resytlane Lyft. Resytlane Lyft is a nice, moderately thick filler that gives enough volume. It's a very natural appearing look. It will sit right on this periosteum or the bone. So this product is called Resytlane Lyft. I really like this filler. I think it gives good structure without looking like balls in the cheek. That's not the look that we're going for. It'll last you about a year. We are going to use 2 syringes on you because you do have a little bit of a flat appearance. Like I said, again, it's very common for women that are in their 40s and 50s is to lose that volume in their mid-face. Filler is so much fun because it's instant gratification. She's going to be able to walk out of here and look like $1,000,000. She'll be able to go out to dinner. She shouldn't have very much swelling, especially the mid-face filler doesn't have much swelling, and it rarely bruises. Okay, so Eli, we've done one cheek. The other one is not done. And I want to show our viewers at home. As you can see, this is just a little bit rounded. It has a little bit more anterior elevation. She looks more youthful on this side. This side looks a little bit more depressed. You can see she has a finger width of depression right there. And this just makes her look healthier and younger. She doesn't have chick-muck cheeks. This is what one syringe can do in one cheek. So she does need 2, one on each side to get her full effect. I hope that you can appreciate at home that her nasolabial fold was lifted somewhat, and this will continue to improve. The filler takes about a week to actually see your final effect. Sometimes you can have some mild swelling at the very beginning, but this is hydrophilic. That means it absorbs water. Over the course of a week, this will absorb even more water, and it will look even more full and more natural. So I think that's a really nice result. We're going to start on the other side now, Eli. That's looking real nice. You doing okay?
Yes.
Good.